Hello and welcome back to my video series of making a tailstock die holder. Hope you like the snazzy new intro clip. Obviously it's all style over substance because again I've forgotten to turn the microphone on. What you can see here, I'm just turning down that blank soft stub arbor. I say turn it down, drilling it and boring it to 15mm to accept that rod. Once that's done, and mill the slot flat on the side and tap and drill and tap it. I've got the part in the dividing head now. It needs, so it's going to have 5 holes around here, 1 hole there and then a slot down there. I've just had to cut one of my drill bits, cut the tail off because there's not enough height again, so that's something I need to address at another point. Yeah, so 22.5 cranks to do each one of those, and then 11.5 to do that one. Right, let's get on with it. All that's left now is just to mill this slot, and we'll tidy up the edge after, because it is pretty poor. The finish. I don't know, I've used this to as a bit of a hammer in the past. Here we are now. I'm going to call it a day for now. Can you guess how many mistakes I made? Well, 1 or 2. Stupidly, I made this 100mm instead of 120mm, which means that this rod here now pokes out at the end. Obviously it won't go all the way because it's too short, too long, but I suppose in some ways that will work out well because I can just cut off where the hole wasn't in line and bring it back. So swings and roundabouts really. What other mistake did I make? No, maybe that was just it. Yeah, so there's the hole there for the handle. This will have either, I'm probably going to put a skim pass on that, and then, or just on this middle section here, and then either have the handle or the pin there. Maybe not both. I suppose if we got rid of this, maybe just nailed that and then got rid of, well, didn't always have the handle, then I could, once it's got to the end of the thread, just let go and this will spin on the arbor. Otherwise I'll have to be pretty quick with the reverse. But nice to have both functions, I suppose. I really like the screws on the end there. I think they turned out really well, and to scale. I think the original plan called for these to be 12mm heads, which really, looking at it now, would have been stupid. Yeah, there's a bit of deburring to do, but overall fairly happy with that. May anodise it, or just, do you know when it, yeah, maybe, because I made this tap follower years and years and years ago, when I not long started to turn things on the lathe, and well, that's what that'll end up like in the end. I think if it doesn't get finished, it doesn't look too bad really. I never have much luck with slots. They always end up pretty, I don't know, messy. If anyone's got any tips on that, just let me know. Right, well, thank you for watching, and yeah, who will?